Alright, so one of these days I'm gonna look good on camera. But in the meantime, this is what you have to deal with. So I want to just make a quick follow-up video to the Scotchmallows I made the other day. Just to demonstrate that you can make good chocolate, you can temper good chocolate just using coughs. No, using just chocolate chips. I'll give you a little, they're down here, so I'll give you a little overview. So here are my Scotchmallows. And this is simply 2 bags of chocolate chips. No, sorry, 2.5 bags. 1 bag of Special Dark and a bag and a half of milk chocolate. They're just Hershey chips. What I did was I tempered the chocolate, where I melted the chocolate, and then I used half a bag of Dagoba chocolate. It's clear, yeah, whatever. This is 6 ounces. I only used 3 of them. I used that to cool it off, temper the chocolate, and then I dipped them all. And actually, these ones, see, they look kind of nice. The big thing is the snap, right? So that one just snaps right off like that. Can you hear it? No, you really can't hear it. Let me try this. Try this guy. Ooh, yeah, see? That just snaps right off. Here, another one. Yeah. So, yeah, it's totally possible. See, yeah, that's pretty cool. I like this. As you can see, I kind of got a little low on chocolate. I didn't make enough for this batch of this recipe that I was using from Perry's place. Well, it's a big thing of chocolate, and oh yeah, let me grab a knife real quick. I think I'll edit this part out. Alright, let me show you what these look like on the inside. I'm gonna cut one of them that looks ugly because, you know, I'm gonna give some of these away as a gift. So clear the landing. Is this ugly? Yes, it totally is. Yeah, this guy. But on the inside, I can cut this. Oh my goodness, it's hard to do with one hand. See, look at that. It's got a layer of marshmallow and a layer of caramel robed in chocolate. It's so good. Oh. So yeah, anyway, so I tempered the chocolate and that's really good. The whole point of this video is just to say, yes, you can use chocolate chips. I read in the comments, and all the recipes are like, you must use real chocolate. But yeah, you can totally just use Hershey's chocolate. And I'm just keeping the camera on the chocolates because I think that's pretty. And there's this. This is how the recipe turned out. I had to make the caramel first and then the marshmallow. But yeah, that's all I want to say. Just to give somebody a visual idea of how it looks, and an audio cue. And as you can see, like this one is a nice close-up. It's nice and shiny. And see, oh well, that's from something else. But yeah, no, it stays. It doesn't. I can pick it up and maneuver it, and it doesn't like get. That was already there. Doesn't get all over my hands, my fingers. Look at that, so smooth on the top there. So yeah, this is a lot of fun, a lot of work. Shout out to my brother and sister for helping me out. They don't want to be known, but I appreciate. They really helped me dip these a lot. But yeah, it was fun. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. In case you're interested in this recipe, it's Perry's Recipes, I believe. I guess the first one that comes up when you look up Scotchmallow, and these are indeed worth it. So that's it. Have a good day.